to make a video today talking about a common problem people seem to have with these little headbands, so let's get into it. So in my last video where I showed how to use one here, you can see there are a bunch of comments, and then I also got a bunch of comments on my TikTok, my Instagram, of people saying that when they have this in their hair, it's constantly pushing back and falling off. And I tried my best to answer those questions in the comments, but it's a little bit hard to explain, I feel like, through comment reply. So I thought I'd just make a video that explains why that is happening. And it's similar to when we talked about why your bobby pins are trying to push their way out of your hair. So this is the one that I used in the video, and this is one that I haven't really worn very much. And you'll see that this one is quite a bit bigger than this one. This is the size that it came. This is the size that it now is. So when you put it on your head and it's this size, and if this is too small for your head, I have a big head. I have a very big head, actually. I know that this is too small. So when you stretch it out to put it on your head, it's going to spend all day trying to return to this size. Okay, because it's stretchy and it has memory. It wants to go back to its size. So it's going to push its way back towards the smaller part of your head so that it can contract back to its original size. So what I did is I stretched it out. I stretched this one out so you can see it's a lot bigger. So when I put this one on, it's not really creating much tension. It's not trying to work its way back to a smaller size. Now, obviously, you have to be careful. You don't want to make it so big that it's too loose. So it's a little trial and error, and I kind of stretch them a little, and then through wearing it, it stretches. But I know that this one, it literally is just maybe like a tiny bit, just enough smaller that it's going to create enough tension to stay on my head, but it is not going to try and push its way back to contract down to its smaller size. It's going to stay where I put it. So if you're finding that when you wear one of these, you're having problems with it constantly scooting its way off the back of your head, give yourself a try. They're usually only a couple dollars anyway, so worst case scenario, you wreck it. Usually they're packs of 2, so, play around with them. But that's the difference between how I bought it and how I wear it, so that it doesn't slide off my head. Now, how big yours would need to be depends on how big your head is. And maybe when you pull it out of the package, you don't have that problem, and that means it's not too small for you. But if you are having that problem, this is a solution that you can try, and it should hopefully solve that problem for you. I hope that helps. I hope that made sense. If it didn't make sense, in the comments, and I can try and make it make more sense. But I think that was the easiest way to explain the problem a lot of people were having. Let me know in the comments, though, either way, how helpful or not helpful you found this information to be. If you tried it and it worked out for you, I would love to know. Or if you tried it and it still didn't solve your problem, let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I do post a lot here. Like and subscribe if you don't already do so, because we would love to have you as part of the DIY Hair School family. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.